Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining scope and collecting what you need. That saves time later. First, set the slide size to 16:9 and choose 1080p export so your ad looks crisp. Next, import assets, a PNG logo, product photos, short MP4 clips, and your voiceover WAV or MP3. Once assets are in, lay out a quick storyboard across 5 to 8 slides showing headline, demo, value, and CTA. This gives structure and keeps pacing tight. You now build each scene with purpose. Design decisions drive viewer attention. Use the slide master to lock branding, fonts, color swatches, and logo placement so every slide reads as one ad. For motion, prefer morph or motion paths to reveal product shots. Keep animations under 1.5s to maintain tempo. Import voiceover and use the audio tools playback to trim and set start automatically. Then align slide timings to narration so visuals and audio remain synchronized throughout. You finish by exporting and validating the ad for delivery. Choose File Export Create a Video, set 1080p and 30 fps, and confirm bitrate for clarity. Once exported, test the MP4 on the platform or device where it will run. Check audio levels, subtitles, and overall pacing. If things go wrong, like audio drift, open the presentation, set precise slide durations to match the voiceover, or re-export the audio and replace the track. Then re-render the MP4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.